Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming the way we live, and no one knows this better than Amazon. Today, we'll explore a groundbreaking evolution in the world of AI-driven smart assistants. Remarkable Alexa, powered by Anthropic's Claude model. This is more than just an update. It's a massive leap forward in the capabilities of voice assistants, giving Alexa a smarter, more intuitive edge. At the heart of this upgrade is the Claude AI model from Anthropic. Claude brings a whole new level of sophistication to Alexa's voice interactions. What does this mean for users? First, context-aware conversations. Unlike before, Alexa can now remember past interactions within the same conversation and respond with better, more personalized answers. Second, natural language processing. The Claude model allows Alexa to process and understand natural, free-flowing dialogue with users, making interactions feel more human-like. Finally, multi-step task handling. You can now ask Alexa to complete more complex requests, such as order food, then send a message to my friend, and remind me of my next meeting. These are tasks that the older Alexa struggled with. But Amazon's collaboration with Anthropic is more than just a technical upgrade. It represents a shift in strategy. By partnering with one of the world's leading AI safety research firms, Amazon is ensuring that Alexa's development aligns with the future of ethical and reliable AI. Anthropic's expertise in creating AI systems that prioritize safety, transparency, and fairness means Alexa is not only smarter, but safer too. And here's where things get interesting. With Remarkable Alexa, Amazon is introducing a paid subscription model for access to these enhanced features. The decision to move certain AI functionalities behind a paywall reflects Amazon's strategy to create a premium experience. This move mirrors similar strategies by other tech giants like Google and Apple, who also offer premium services for advanced AI tools. Amazon's shift to the Claude model isn't just about staying competitive, it's about setting a new standard in the AI assistant market. With superior conversational skills, broader context-aware interactions, and advanced personalization, Alexa is being positioned as the leading AI assistant. Looking ahead, this is just the beginning for Amazon's AI strategy. As AI continues to evolve, Alexa will likely become even more integral to our daily lives. AI assistants will evolve in the next 5 years with even more powerful capabilities, making smart homes, health, and workspaces more interconnected than ever before. With Remarkable Alexa, Amazon is reshaping how we interact with our devices, our homes, and the world around us. Don't miss out on experiencing Remarkable Alexa, the future of smart assistants, available soon as a premium subscription service.